What is Merrill Edge Self-Directed? Merrill Edge Self-Directed is an online investing platform designed for individuals who prefer to take control of their own investments. It offers a range of tools and resources to help you make informed investment decisions and manage your portfolio effectively. One of the key benefits of Merrill Edge Self-Directed is the ability to enjoy commission-free trading on stocks, ETFs, and options. This can help you save money on your investments and potentially increase your returns. In addition to stocks, ETFs, and options, you can also invest in bonds, mutual funds, and other investment products through the platform. Merrill Edge Self-Directed provides personalized investment guidance to help you make informed decisions. You can access research, analysis, and educational resources to learn more about different investment strategies and market trends. The Idea Builder tool is particularly helpful as it provides personalized investment recommendations based on your goals and risk tolerance. With Merrill Edge Self-Directed, you have 24/7 online access to your account. This means you can manage your investments anytime, anywhere, making it convenient to monitor your portfolio and make changes as needed. The platform is also integrated with Bank of America, allowing you to easily transfer funds between your Merrill Edge account and your checking or savings account. Merrill Edge Self-Directed is a good option for investors who want to take control of their investments, are comfortable making their own decisions, and are looking for a low-cost investing platform. However, it's important to remember that investing involves risk, and there's no guarantee of profits.